So the new Dyson Cyclone V10 doesn't have a removable or replaceable battery like the previous model, the V8, does, which could be a bad thing if the battery dies before the vacuum does, which is sometimes the case. So I was looking into it and found an interview with James Dyson where he said that the Dyson V10's new battery will last 15 years. Quote, 15 years of daily use might get you down to 80% battery, but by then you'll probably want to upgrade to our new model anyway. Dyson says that the new battery is a 7-cell, 525-watt lithium-ion battery using nickel, cobalt, aluminum battery chemistry. It also uses an intelligent power management system which monitors power distribution to deliver, quote, fade-free power, which means that the battery will produce the same amount of power even when it's almost discharged. Dyson also mentioned that you actually get more battery life than the battery ratings suggest because of the trigger mechanism, which means you'll only be using the power you need as opposed to a normal vacuum with only an on-off switch. Apparently, this starting and stopping with the trigger will also help to stretch out each individual battery life cycle. According to James Dyson, you'll get about an hour of cleaning per charge even if the battery is only rated to last 40 minutes. And I'm assuming that was a for example since the rated battery life on the V10 is 60 minutes on low power. Dyson also noted that with the upgraded suction on the V10, you don't have to go over things as much because it's so powerful and gets a lot of things in the first try, which also ends up saving you vacuuming time. Alright, links in the description to our reviews of the Dyson V10, as well as links to Amazon and Dyson.com. Consider a like if this video helped you out, and thanks for watching.